Hello and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Google Cloud Platform series. In this series of videos, we will understand the fundamental concept of Google Cloud Platform, the different types of platform services that Google Cloud provides, and how to use those services to build a cloud solution in a complete demo-oriented step-by-step guide. So as we learn it through the series of video, I want to ensure that we understand the learning approach. So what is going to be our learning strategies? Let us break it down into three different fundamental ways to learn this course. The first one will be focusing on the fundamentals of Google Cloud Platform, where we will learn some of the core cloud platform features and their usages. Then we'll learn about different services offering from the Google Cloud Platform. In the final section, we'll understand the different set of standard services and the platform features that will help us to build an end-to-end solution using Google Cloud Platform and services. So if you are clear with the strategies, let us focus on what are the key learning objectives. So to start with, we will be focusing on the fundamentals of cloud computing, different cloud service model, cloud service provider, and an introduction to the Google Cloud Platform as a part of key building blocks and the infrastructure and their services. So if you are new to the cloud technology, it will be a great place for you to start getting a complete understanding of cloud computing and the Google Cloud Platform fundamentals. Then we will be setting up our free Google Cloud account. Google provides $300 credits for anyone who want to start learning with Google Cloud Platform and explore the features and the products available. Here we'll learn how you can set up your Google Cloud Platform using the free credit and start your journey with Google Cloud. Once your account is set up, we'll explore Google Cloud Console, because this is the place where you will be spending most of your time to build any cloud solution. In this section, we'll learn the different features that Google Cloud Platform resources or Google Cloud provides. So in this section, we'll learn the different features that help us to manage and work with Google Platform resources. Next, it's all about cloud projects, resource, and the billing structure. Understanding of projects, resources, and how the projects are linked with your billing is the key concept, and you need to understand before you start building any solution on the cloud. In this section, we'll explore what is a Google Cloud project, what is the different types of resources available and they are linked with the project, and we'll also clear our fundamental understanding of billing and how to link these billings with your projects or with your organizational account. The next sections will start getting an understanding more from a developer perspective that what is Google Cloud Platform API and the services. These API are the interface for the developer that interact with your Google Cloud Platform. They are the vital parts of the platform which allows developer to integrate their application with this Google Cloud. Once we learn about the services and the API, the next things we need to understand about identity and access management. This is very, very important aspect of any of the cloud platform that if you need to understand, be you are a developer, be you an architect, giving the right access to a particular resources or group of people, it is essential. And for that matter, you need to be a very clear understanding of the identity access management for the Google Cloud Platform. Once you cover about the access management, we will explore the Google Cloud Shell. So this is another robust command line environment that's provide you an access of the Google Cloud from anywhere or any browser. So if you really wanted to access and to your cloud resources, to control cloud resources, create your projects, or access and check your service status, you can use Cloud Shell. So in this section, we'll deep dive on some of these fundamental concepts of Cloud Shell and how to use them. The next section, we'll learn about exploring Google Cloud Code with Visual Studio Code. So the Google Cloud Code provides the set of APIs and the layer of interface which allow us to interact the cloud environments from the Visual Studio Code IDE. So this provides as a complete development environment workflow and the IDE support to interact with your Kubernetes or the Cloud Run application for rapid developments. So we'll understand how we can use a Google Cloud Code to build one solution on the Google Cloud directly from your Visual Studio Code. Once we clear those fundamentals areas of the cloud platform, we will start exploring the different services, and we'll start with Google Compute and the Serverless service. We'll learn several compute and serverless offerings from the Google Cloud, and we'll perform step-by-step hands-on solution and create some of these services, especially on the App Engine, Computer Engine, even the Kubernetes engine, and we'll also build some solution on the Cloud Function as well. In the next section, we'll be focusing more on the platform storage and the database services, because persisting your data is another key aspect for building any cloud solution. And Google Cloud provides a comprehensive set of services for your platform storage as well as database services. This section of the series will learn about different storage services and some of the database services which could be the very essential for you to learn when you are getting started with the Google Cloud Platform. Coming back to the next section, which is your big data service. When we talk about the big data service, the Google Cloud provides a wide range of services that cover almost all the business scenarios that we can think of to build on the cloud platform. And this big data service helps us to ingest, process, and analyze the set of data, take it as a stream, and make it more meaningful and accessible. In this section, we'll learn some of these big data services available on the Google Cloud Platform, and we'll take a hands-on demo to clear our fundamental understanding. Coming back to the network service, which are one of the critical components of any of the cloud platform. So if you want to build a secure infrastructure within cloud, or even connecting some of your storage or some of the environment from the on-premises, network infrastructure plays a very, very critical role. In this section, we'll learn some of these critical network services from the Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud also provides highly scalable and customizable service across different spectrum of AI and ML. You can build your custom model with your available data sets. Also, Google Cloud provides several predefined trained models to start leveraging the AI ML platform without any prior knowledge of AI and ML. In this section, we'll explore and learn some of these services, and we'll learn how we can integrate with your actual solution. Coming back to the DevOps, it is an essential element if you really wanted to build any software product, starting from envisioning and putting it to your end user hands. DevOps is all about build, test, deploy in a rapid manner using continuous integration and continuous delivery. In this section, we will understand how we can use Google Cloud Build for implementing CI/CD solution for any of the services that we are using on the Google Cloud Platform, and how we can manage a rapid build and release management. Once we learn all the services and we learn about the build and deployment, the essential part for us to build any solution, we need to understand about the cost and the pricing of the services we're using. We'll take a quick look at Google Cloud Pricing Calculator to understand if we really wanted to build some solution using some specific set of services, what could be our price forecast. So it is an essential item for anyone to understand to build any solution on the cloud platform. And lastly, we'll also explore the Google Cloud Console mobile apps, which will allow you to manage your cloud resources from a mobile application on the go. You can check out your resources, resource status, even you can connect with your Google Cloud Console via that mobile application. Coming back to the end, we'll be building an end-to-end solution using some of the services we are covering throughout this course. And this will definitely boost up your level of confidence that how starting from zero, getting a fundamentals of cloud understanding, and then learn some of the services and then build an end-to-end solution. So if I keep these learning strategies and the key learning objective next to each other, the first section we talk about will clear our fundamental of Google Cloud Platform and the platform features. So first couple of sections starting from Cloud Platform fundamentals and using your Google Cloud Code and the Visual Studio Code will clear those area, because this part is going to be very common across all the services that we are going to use and learn. In the next section, that's all about different platform services, be it a compute, be it a storage, database, your big data service, networking service, and AI/ML service. So this is the platform services offering from the cloud computing of Google. And the last section, some of the common service that even if you build any solution, it require your DevOps, you require your pricing calculator to build up the solution. And in the end section, we'll be building an end-to-end solution using some of those services. And this is pretty much to give you a clear context on what are the things we are going to learn and how we are going to learn. That's it from here. Thank you for your time. And in the next video, we'll start our journey on the learning of Google Cloud Platform. Thank you.